Alhamdulillah. Hi students, do you know what I just did before? I just do the 3 steps of matter. The first is solid, the second is liquid, and the third is a gas. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with Miss Ida's class. Today is a science class, and as you know before, Miss Ida do something. First, Miss Ida eat the cake, and the second, Miss Ida drink the water, and then the third, Miss Ida take a birth. So, today we will learn about 3 states of matter. Are you ready? Let's explore the 3 states of matter with me. Okay, let's start from solid object. Each solid object has a fixed shape. Yes, as we see here, a solid shape has a fixed shape. There is a cuboid, there is a cube, sphere, and watch. Okay, as you can see, if we try to compress this cube, it's really hard to compress. So, the characteristic of solid object, the first is they have fixed shape. The second, they are rigid. Now, let's move to the liquids. As you can see here, liquid has fixed volume but not fixed shape. I prove to you. As you see here, Miss Ida has a 100 ml water, and Miss Ida will pour the water to the bottle. You will see the shape is changed. And how if I pour the water in another bottle? Okay, in another container, the shape is also changed. But how about the volume? How if Miss Ida pour it back to the beaker? See, the volume of the water is still 100 ml. That means liquid has a fixed volume but not a fixed shape. And how about the second characteristic? Is it fluid or rigid? That's right. The liquid matter has the fluid. Why? Because it can flow easily. Look at here. That means the liquid is fluid. That is the second characteristic. Okay? The third characteristic. Is it easily to compress? Of course not. I prove to you. I have full of liquid here, and I will try to compress it. Okay, I need to be a Superman to do that, because liquids is also hard to compress. So, can you mention the 3 characteristics of liquid matters? The first, liquids has fixed volume but not fixed shape. The second, liquids is fluids easily. The third, liquids it's hard to compress. It's not easily to compress like a solid matter. Now, let's take a look to the gas matter. As you can see, inside this bottle, there is an oxygen. Let's move to the characteristic of gas. Gases have neither fixed volume nor fixed shape. Just like liquids, gases take the shape of the container. But the difference is the container need to be closed. Okay, so remember the first characteristic, gases has no volume and has no shape. How about the second characteristic? The second characteristic is gases easily to compress. I prove it to you. When I compress this gases inside, it is easy because gas is easily to compress. Now, how about the third characteristic? Is it gases fluid or rigid? That's right. Actually, gases is fluid. Why? Because I can easily flow the gases to the container. Of course, you cannot see the gases because the gases is colorless. But how to prove it? When I spray the perfume around your house, inside your room, and you will smell the perfume. That means the gases contained inside the room. Or we can say the gases fill the container completely.
So, gas has no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Gas also fluid and also easily to compress. Okay, that's all from Miss Ida. See you in the next session. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.